Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin immediately. Plug in or enable your microphone and set it as the default input so the system captures sound. Once done, open the voice recorder app. It's the built-in, simplest tool for PC audio. Make sure microphone access is allowed in privacy settings so the app can hear you. Now press record and speak naturally. Short tests let you confirm levels. This step starts the actual capture. Don't worry about perfection yet. You can trim later. While recording, watch the level meter so your voice doesn't clip or sit too low. If it's too loud, reduce input gain in Sound Control panel. If too soft, move the mic closer or raise gain. Use pause between sections to keep files organized, and record multiple short takes rather than one long file so editing is faster. Once done with a take, stop and play it back. This workflow reduces rework and gives you clean segments to edit and combine. Finish by trimming unwanted silence or mistakes using the app's trim tool, then save and give the file a clear name so you can find it. You can export or share if you need different formats. Otherwise, locate files in Documents /sound recordings. If playback is missing or recording failed, first confirm microphone permission and that the correct device is selected. Update or reinstall drivers next. If problems persist, test the mic in another app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.